Eric here with May Wes Manufacturing, and today I have a Poly Pickup Band in my hand. We get a lot of questions on our brand new updated version of our Poly Pickup Band. One of the most common questions we get is, do you have Poly Pickup Bands for my baler? We carry Poly Pickup Bands for most major OEM balers out there, whether it's Case IH, New Holland, John Deere, AGCO, Hessen. Refer to our website or give us a call to see if your model and make is available. Another question we get is, does the band come with hardware? Every Poly Pickup Band that you purchase does come with the desired hardware that is required by that OEM, what they have on the baler already. One of the main questions we get is, okay, I have metal bands on my baler. Can I just replace one or two, or do I have to replace every single band because it's a Poly Pickup Band? The answer is our Poly Pickup Bands will match right up to the OEM. So yes, you can just replace 1, 2, 6, or the whole pickup head. Another great question we receive on our Poly Pickup Bands is, does it match my baler? And the answer is yes. Our Poly Pickup Bands match OEM brand color. So if it's Case black, New Holland yellow, John Deere green, AGCO gray, our Poly Pickup Bands will match perfectly. In fact, if you happen to have a bent tooth and you start to rub on the inside of our band, the color remains all the way through the band. So even if you touch the band, it will still look like new. The color will never fade, nor will it look different than that of the OEM. Another really good question we get daily is on the John Deere Mega Wide balers. And that is, hey, do you have my style band on a baler? And what they're referring to is John Deere has the larger outer two, you have the larger outer, which are the next three in line, and then you have the centers. And we carry all three bands for the Mega John Deere. And again, they are color matching and they come with the hardware. So again, your larger outer two, so left, right, outer, your next three, and then all your centers. We always get asked, what are the advantages of Poly Pickup Bands versus the metal pickup bands? The two that stand out, number one is you don't get any metal shavings in your forage or your bedding. And two, if you have a bent tooth, you don't have that chatter on metal. And trust me, it drives you nuts if you're sitting in a cab or on an open cab tractor. It'll drive you crazy. And these great bands are made in the US and are in stock. So give us a call, 1-800-788-6483, or go to your local May Wes dealer.